Naslin and Mamita. First, how does it feel? First, with ladies first. Huh? Yeah. Come, Mamita.
Andariki namaskaram. First of all, naku Telugu radu. So, andiku na English lo చెప్తాను. Okay. Thank you for helping. So, I don't know, I'm so nervous. I'm scared that I will mess this up. But yes, Rajamouli garu, I'm a big fan of you. Hiroini garu, Anil garu, Andeep garu, Karthikeya garu. Thank you so much for backing us really powerfully. And see, I'm shaking now. I don't know what to say. Thank you all. Thank you so much for receiving our Premalu with so much of love. Andariki nachutundi anukuntananu. So thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
കുറച്ച് തെലുങ്കൊക്കെ പഠിച്ചിട്ട് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്.
ഇല്ല, I watch a lot of Telugu movies. I got introduced to Telugu movies through Magadira.
Wow.
Yeah. So I'm a big fan of Rajamouli sir's movies.
ఒక్కొక్కరిని కాదు, షేర్ ఖాన్ మిగిలింది వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్